Hi, I'm Dion with the Dion & Co. Real Estate Group. Today I'm at 141 Amery Crescent in Crossfield, Alberta, and we're touring a bungalow today that has three things everybody wants: fully developed basement, an oversized heated garage, plus it backs right onto a green space. Let's go take a look. This is the heart of the home, open and inviting, where you can cook and still be part of everything. With quartz countertops, a gas stove, 9-foot ceilings, and an abundance of light, it's perfect for entertaining. And on this level, you've got 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a great primary setup and ensuite. One of my most favorite parts is this sunroom off the back. It has extra space for morning coffee, reading, or just a cozy spot that still feels connected to the outdoors. Downstairs, the space is fully developed, and there's a kitchenette, so you've got options: entertaining, guests, teenagers, or just another space to make the home feel bigger. The lower level is finished off with a huge bedroom, plus another full bathroom. Now the garage is a standout, oversized, heated, and with extra lighting, perfect if you want a real workshop or hobby space. And the lifestyle piece is huge. This home backs directly onto a green space with a skating rink and a fire pit area. It's the kind of setting where community actually happens and family events are easy. So what'd you think? Well, if you like what you saw, message me. We can book you a showing today.